Hello, you're wondering what this is? Well, this is garden egg and yam. So we usually make this sauce using garden egg, pepper, onions, and oil.
Boldesty kitchen
And
with
we
Sharon.
usually eat it with yam, plantain, cocoyam, and some people even eat theirs with rice. So to begin, we're going to wash the garden egg. This is African garden egg, but you can also use eggplant, the regular eggplant for this recipe. So we just wash it very well and then cut it and boil it with the yam. I'm going to show you everything as the video progresses. Now this is me washing it under running water. Make sure you wash it very well, especially if you're buying from Nigerian market where different hands must have touched it. So after washing, I'm just going to go ahead to remove the unwanted parts from the garden egg, and then I'm still going to rinse it with water. So now I'm done with the garden egg. I'm moving to the yam. This is me cutting the yam. I'm going to just peel off the skin. Now it's yam season in Nigeria, and yam is a little bit cheap, but not very cheap compared to old yam. This new yam now are just coming out. The yam season in Nigeria is between late July to end of August stroke September. That's when yam is usually harvested and it's abundant in the Nigerian market. So if you're looking to go into yam business, you can know when to store the yam and then save it until it's towards end of the year when yam begins to go scarce, and then you can resell it for higher profit. So after slicing it, I'm just going to cut it into big piece and wash it and boil it. I'm going to show you all that as the video progresses. Meanwhile, have you ever eaten this food before, or is this your first time trying it? Just let me know in the comments. I'd like to hear from you. Now the yam has been properly washed. You can see I'm just going to go ahead and transfer everything into the pot and also fit into the pot the garden egg. After that, I'm going to also season it and cook it. Just keep watching to see how it goes. Now let's add salt to the yam and pepper and garden egg. So after adding salt, I'm just going to add a good amount of water. The water can be like half the pot, because once the yam is done, we can also go ahead and drain the water. So the water should just be enough to cook it. Now we're just going to cook it on a very medium heat, and once it's 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead to remove the garden egg, because now you can see the fork goes into it very well and it's now very soft. This is just how the recipe is, the typical Nigerian recipe, and it's been saving lives since ages. In fact, the first time I tasted it, I was like, oh my god, I so much loved it. But I don't know the origin. I don't know if it's Igbo people that have it, or Benin people of Nigeria, or I don't know if it's the whole of Edo State that have it. But I just know that the first time I tasted it was from an Igbo person, and then when I schooled in Edo State, I saw them making this and I loved it. That was where I learned how to make it. It's so delicious. Let me know if you get to try it out, and don't forget to send me pictures. So after removing it from the pot, I'm just going to go ahead and shred it into smaller pieces to enable it cook very well. This is just how the recipe goes. This is the traditional way of making this garden egg sauce in Nigeria. Now the pan is hot, but I just added my palm oil and the oil was sleeping. It's been heated up. Now I added some smoked fish. This is panla fish, but you can use mackerel fish, shawa, titus, any fish of your choice. I think titus is also mackerel. So after that, I'll allow the onions and the fish to saute very well, and then I'm going to add the shredded garden egg and pepper and combine everything to mix very well. Oh my god, the aroma is so overwhelming. This recipe is just quick and it's also affordable. I can call this a very low budget recipe because everything here is not even up to, apart from the yam, everything here is just less than 500 naira. So now I went on to season with some salt, mango powder, crayfish powder, and grounded pepper, which is optional. Then I'm going to mix everything. The food is almost ready. Now this is just all we want. It's starting to cook here now. We're just going to let it cook for a little bit and get it off the stove. Tell me what Nigerian recipe you want me to recreate for you.
Click on the subscribe button for more videos.